Sometimes life is good, but then the trouble comes my way. But whatever happens, Lord, I thank you for this day. And when I'm feeling troubled, I lift my hands and pray that you will be that.
Ay, okay mo rin ba siya? Ate daw kami sa ito, binigay nila na pre ito.
Yan. Okay na? Okay na?
Binigay nila na
Vlogger.
dahil marami daw tayong binigay kaya pre na yung
Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I wanna thank you, Lord, for love and care and blessing that we share. I thank you, Lord, for food we eat, for all the friends we meet. I thank you, Lord, for love we share forever.
So, hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Bigan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung meeting hiding natin. Ayan, mula dito. Okay na. Ang kuya. Yun. Tapos, may nakita ko dito, guys. Puno ng kamyas. So, balak namin pumitas kahit dalawa lang. So, mag-challenge kami nila. Bago ba? So, at yun. So, pag gumaling yung mukha natin, talo ah. So, yan.
Saan ba yung mali na?
Kamis?
Ang sangit. Dahil sabi ko nga sarap eh.
Ang kamis din?
Sinirin ako ng kain.
Won't you wait? Won't you stay? At least until the sun goes down. When you're gone, I lose faith. I lose
tingin kayo dalawa dyan.
Lain na natin.
Hi guys! Apa? Eh, dami oh! Ay, ano isda to kuya? Bono. wanna swim? May kibidyo lang po.